Biochemic System of Medicine. Definition: Biochemic system of medicine may be defined as the branch of therapeutic based on the law of deficiency. The deficiency of ignorance salt, which cause disequilibrium in the harmonious function of the organic constituent of the cell. So it must be corrected by supplied the requisite proportion of the inorganic salt. The biochemic salt of medicine is separated branch of the therapeutic system of medicine. It was introduced by Dr. William Schuessler of Germany in 1873. Introduction. Dr. William Schuessler was not only a doctor of medicine, but he was also physiological chemist and pharmacist. He formulated this unique system of cellular therapeutic to which they gave the name Biochemic System of Medicine. Dr. Schuessler was very much influenced by Rudolf Virchow, the founder of cellular pathology, who taught that all diseases are based on the changes in function of cell in the body. Dr. Schuessler believed that when a human being is reduced into ashes by heat, there are only 12 minerals left. These has called as the tissue salt. They are responsible for the natural balance and viability of the body. According to him, deficiency of any of these tissue salt produce a disease condition in the human organism, and replenishment of supplementation of the body by the deficient salt in physiological dose restore health in the organism. Schuessler potentized these tissue salt and made them into biochemic remedies. He is also reformed as the father of deficiency therapy. History of the tissue remedies. Samuel Hahnemann was the first to establish the great importance of inorganic cell salt as medicine of high order, through investigation into their pathogenic effect and therapeutic use. It was as proving of lime, salt, potash and silicia that showed what vast storehouse of medicinal force these inorganic substances are, although wholly insert in their crude state. This prepared the way for the development of the rest of the tissue remedy. He was the first one who pointed out how this force could be unlocked and directed for therapeutic process. But it is remained for Dr. Schuessler of Germany to develop this system of therapeutic medicine. In March 1873, an article initiated abridged homeopathic therapeutic by Dr. Schuessler was published in the Gyanan Homeopathic Journal, in which he described the experiment. Principle of Biochemic System of Medicine. The body is made up of cells. Different kind of cells build up the different tissue and organ of the body. The difference is in cell are largely determined by the kind of inorganic salt which enter into the composition. These inorganic constituents are, in a very real sense, the material base of organs and tissue of the body, and are absolute essential to their integrity of the structure and functional activity. Theory of Biochemic System of Medicine. The idea upon which biochemic therapeutic is based is the physiological fact that both the structure and vitality of the organ of the body are depending upon certain necessary quantity and proper proportion of its inorganic constituent. According to the Schuessler theory, and disturbance in the molecule motion of this cell salt is living tissue caused by deficiency in the requested amount constituent disease, which can be rectified and the request equilibrium reestablished by the administrating the same mineral salt in small quantities. The 12 tissue salt. The 12 biochemic remedy of Schuessler, sometimes referred to as mineral salt or tissue salt, are absolute harmless and they are not drug in any sense. They simply provide the system of deficiency in organic element, prepare homeopathically and ensure the remedy assimilation and a speedy restoration of this balance and harmony in the system. There are 12 tissue salt and later on Schuessler discarded on became later it has proved its value as a therapeutic agent. The 12 tissue salt are follows: Calcarea florica, calflor, Calcarea phosphorica, calphos, Calcarea sulfurica, calsul, Ferrum phosphoricum, furphos, Calimuraticum, calmur, Caliphosphoricum, calphos, Calisulfuricum, calsul, Magnesium phosphoricum, macphos, Natrum muriaticum, natmur, Natrum phosphoricum, natphos, Natrum sulfuricum, natsul, and Silicia.